Christmas, everybody.
And a Happy New Year.
We hope you had time to reflect on the year that has been a very difficult year. But we hope you had some time with family, some time to count on the little things that have happened to you guys over this year, and hope for a great year ahead of us.
Yes, certainly. If you've made it this far, I'm sure you're gonna make it even further.
So thank you for those who have continued to subscribe to our channel, and if you have not,
please do subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Yes,
so you don't miss.
Absolutely. We will continue to we will try to give you some inspirational content, some DIY, as you may have seen from our social media posts. You can make your own Christmas as merry as you can.
You don't have to cut down trees to do that.
Yeah, you don't have to break the bank.
Okay. It actually saves on space if your home is a bit small.
And gives you the joy that you deem special to yourselves. It is never about what other people are doing.
Yeah.
It's never about what you did last year. You can go for budget things. Like this is a budget thing. The year has been very difficult for everyone. You feel like you can't afford that Christmas big tree. How about you just DIY and have yourself a Merry Christmas? So these are the kind of stuff that we are going to continue sharing. How you can do it yourself, experiences from our family, KinaMogaka, and we hope to increase.
The journey still continues. When you medania nilienda Bali, I'm still there. The journey is long.
Yeah, we don't have much today. We just want to wish you a very merry belated Christmas and a very special New Year. Yeah. So go for what you want to do.
2021 is going to be the year that
we manifest. Yeah, so watch out for that. We'll continue to share those corners that we make, whether good or bad, and hope that things will be okay. And we pray for the blessings of God over your families, as we also trust God for greater things
ahead.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
From KinaMogaka family.
And a very happy New Year.
Easy, ungetokea tu hata ukopi.
Come here. Come here, come here. Come. Good boy. I'm sure you guys thought that we don't have a baby. He's right here playing by himself. Tell people Merry Christmas.
Jingle,
jingle bells,
jingle all the way. Jingle bells. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas.
Ho ho ho!
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas.
Mm.